Hi friends, in previous video we have seen how to create this knob from 2D to 3D. Now we will see the draft analysis, how we need to do this. So this knob part is a plastic trim part. So already we have told like all the trim parts should have the draft to easily eject from the mold cavity. So here we have the draft analysis command. So for representation purpose, just I am keeping 1 degree. Basically we need to have minimum like 3 degree of draft to the plastic parts, then only it will be easily ejectable from the mold. So this is smaller part, so I am taking 1 degree to check. So minimum 0 degree means it will show red color. So wherever it is having 1 degree it will highlight green. If it is below 0 degree it will show blue. So blue means negative direction. So it is. So I am going to clear this part in Z direction itself, because when we are creating by using the same axis I have created this part. So this is a simple design, so I can able to clear it in Z direction itself. So I am just placing this compass. So this is the compass lock. So once if your tooling direction is defined, you can click on this one, lock profile. So next we need to change this mode into material mode. So now we need to click on the part. So here you can see. So when we are creating we don't give any draft, so that is the reason it is not clearing. So here it is having negative draft and inside it is having red, on the sides it is having green. So if I flip the directions, still it is not clearing properly. So just I am going to give OK. I will keep this draft analysis open. I will give some draft to this part and we will check how we are clearing this part. I am giving OK. So just hide this one. So I need to give draft to this surface, this one and this wall, and also to these two walls, side this outer and inner profile, then only it is easily it can be ejectable. So mostly this area will be clear on the core, because profile itself it is like this. So I am going to clear these areas in this direction. So from these edges I will going to clear on the top. For adding this draft, so before this fillet we need to give the draft value. So I am going to give draft to these edges, to these walls. So I am selecting this wall and inner. So I am going to keep this face as the neutral. This one as well as the inner. So for these two it will take this one, and for this one it will take the inner surface. So I am going to give some 1.5 degree. And tooling direction I am going to give Z. Main tooling direction is Z. So this one already I have created using the axis system, just I am using this one. One more thing, you can draw a die draw line, you can give that line also for the tooling direction. In next video I will tell how to create the tooling direction line, main die draw line and side core lines. So just before giving OK, just see the preview. So if you see here, material is adding. If material is adding while ejection, it is not possible because here it is a smaller dia, here it will have bigger dia, so the tool won't eject properly. So in this scenario we need to give reverse it. You see material is removing, so here it is having smaller dia, this side it is having bigger dia, so that material will eject properly. This inner side I have given for this surface, and this one I need to give. So this one already I have created by using the circular pattern. So what I will do, just I am going to give to this surface alone. These areas I am going to clear from the top, so the material should be here, it has to be more, and the top it should be less. So pulling direction I am going to give this Z direction. I'm just seeing the preview, so it is reversed, so I need to give reverse direction so that at the bottom material will be more, on the top material is less. So it is reflecting to the all the surfaces. So next we have these edges. For these edges also, these areas also I am going to clear on the top side. So for this one also I am going to give some 1.5. This one I am giving this as the neutral. This one anyhow Z direction. If you see here also it is removing the material. So all these drafts are added. Now we will see how this draft analysis is showing. See, so this is my parting line. So here that steel end, so whatever we have highlighted, this is our parting line. So now our part is having the draft and there is no draft issue. So once you have done the draft analysis, or if you have added the draft to your plastic parts, if you are the beginner, if you want to check whether it is having properly, it is clearing on the mold or not, what you can do, you can create one block. Just what I have done is created one block just over the size of the part and taken this one as the pasted with the link. So what I am going to do is I am just going to remove this whatever the creator profile material here, so that my cavity will be created on this. So whatever you are seeing, it is the material removed. So if you want to see the section, so if you see, so this area you don't have any material, so your molten metal will flow on these areas only. So for this one, what you need to do is you got to flow the material from the top so that it will flow everywhere. If you see, so this material is filling on these areas. See, so here I have missed giving the fillet so that the flow of the material will be less on this area and here also. So if I can add some fillets, the flow of the material will be uniform. So this is how you need to check. So your parting line is here. So in this area you should not have the fillet. So this top cavity will be ended like this. Your core will be like this. In between that you will have this material removal. Molten metal will be flow on this one. If you want to have the clear picture, you can add this one into drawing and create one section, and there you can see the material, how this core and cavity will function on your part. Thanks for watching this video. I think I have given some clear picture on the draft analysis of this part. In upcoming videos we will see how we are creating the new parts. Please subscribe this channel.